stupid teacher, why you involving yourself that it's not your own trouble? It's that kind of a rule of being a teacher. Where is your good moral and right conduct? And where is the rule of being a teacher true to your own children? Let me guessing you. How could you do that to your children that to teach in the good moral and right conduct that even your own self you cannot teach also? I know you're with kind of a, I know which school that you have already. I know what kind of a children you teach on. I know exact who you are. If you are like go to the deep end, especially I have my relatives working until now a teacher. They had also my relatives there teach in Cebu. They had, but secret. I don't want to tell which part of. The one is in, they called it Karkar. The second is, they had a lots in there. My relatives, so I asked, they knowing you. I'm lucky because you both pushing me to know you more. Yeah. They telling on me. They said, "Oh, I know that teacher. This kind of they give me the place, the school that where you teach on, your legal name and legal address. I know it. But why should I say here? The one thing they say, why? There's something trouble this lady? Yeah. Making interfering with the trouble that it's not her trouble. Oh, that's not allowed that in the rules of being a teacher in the deep end. The Department of Education is not be allowed a teacher interfering a trouble, especially you do in social media. Maybe someday you got like a kick off your work, temporary. Yeah, you need to be careful that if I report you, the happening is, they said the happening is temporary, that you're not work with it. A temporary that. When they found it that you are the against of a law on the deep end on it, like being a teacher, mas suspended ka. You got a temporary suspended. Well, you don't have to be worried if you got suspended of your work because you have a sideline partner, right? That you always be with. Because a teacher is very low salary. And then the alien keeping saying, oh, that is not true. That is true. Tinuod na siya nga mao bitaw nga mga teacher magkalingaw na lag adtong dating site, magdala-dala og laptop. Mag-connect dito sa kuan, magkaingon pug kag nag-lesson plan siya. Ag di ba di ay nag-connect na nag-chat na adto nag-dating site. Pasuwato na lang ang mga estudyante para mabisi. Kay ang teacher busy.